Hello everyone, welcome to Intelligence Kernel. I am Shimontini and today's topic is the practice set of narration change, transformation of direct speech to indirect speech, part 4. Now guys, in the previous practice sets, we saw that how can we transform a direct speech into an indirect speech in case of assertive sentences, interrogative sentences and imperative sentences. Today we will see that how can we transform a direct speech into an indirect speech in case of optative sentences. Now guys, before you watch this video, I would suggest you to first watch the tutorial video of narration change for optative sentences that I already uploaded in the channel previously, because in this practice sets I will use the rules and the definitions based on the tutorial video that I already uploaded. So if you watch that video first, then this video will be a lot easier for you to understand. You can check the video out by clicking the I button above, or I will be giving the link of the video in the comment section as well, so you can check it out from there as well. Alright guys, now in this channel I upload videos about English and English grammar. Each week I upload 2 new videos. One video is the tutorial video of a topic and another video is the practice set of that particular topic. So if you are a student, if you are searching for jobs, or if you just want to write something on your own or create something on your own, it can be anything like story, poetry, anything, then this channel is the right channel for you. Now guys, before we start today's topic, don't forget to subscribe to Intelligence Kernel and hit the bell shaped icon beside the subscribe button, so that every time I post a new video here, you get notified about it immediately. Alright, now let's begin. Narration change, transformation of direct speech to indirect speech, practice set, part 4. Now guys, for this video, I would suggest you to first read one question, then pause the video, then try to answer the question on your own, then play the video and recheck your answer with the answer that I am gonna write. This is how your question solving abilities will increase a lot and it will help you for your upcoming exams. Alright, now let's start. First question, direct speech. Mother said to her, "May you have all the happiness in the world." The indirect speech for this one will be, mother wished that she might have all the happiness in the world. Alright, now let's see the next one. Direct speech. She said to him, "Wish you have a great life ahead." The indirect speech for this one will be, she wished that he might have a great life ahead. Alright, now we will see the next one. Direct speech. He said, "May we all live a peaceful life." The indirect speech for this one will be, he prayed that they all might live a peaceful life. Alright, now we are going to see the next one. Direct speech. They said, "May the prince live long." The indirect speech for this one will be, they prayed that the prince might live long. Alright, now let's see the next one. Direct speech. Ella said, "Oh, had I a good eyesight." The indirect speech for this one will be, Ella wished that she could have a good eyesight. Now guys, let me remind you again that here I'll be using the rules that I already discussed in the tutorial video of narration change part 4. Make sure to check that video out from the link of the comment section. That's how you will understand the practice set and you will be able to solve the practice sets more easily. Alright, now let's continue. Next one, direct speech. He said to her, "May you get everything in life." The indirect speech for this one will be, he wished that she might get everything in life. Alright, now we will see the next one. Direct speech. Father said, "May our children get a safe and secure life." The indirect speech for this one will be, Father prayed that their children might get a safe and secure life. Alright, now we will see the next one. Direct speech. They said, "Oh, had we a few more days to practice." The indirect speech for this one will be, they wished that they could have a few more days to practice. Alright, now we will see the next one. Direct speech. The teacher said to the students, "Wish you have a great summer vacation." The indirect speech for this one will be, the teacher wished that the students might have a great summer vacation. Right, now we will see the next one. Direct speech. John said, "May we reach home safely." The indirect speech for this one will be, John prayed that they might reach home safely. Alright, now we are going to see the next one. Direct speech. She said to me, "Wish you have a wonderful journey ahead." The indirect speech for this one will be, she wished that I might have a wonderful journey ahead. Right, now what's the next one? The next one is direct speech. I said to him, "May you get all the happiness in the world." The indirect speech for this one will be, I wished that he might get all the happiness in the world. Alright, now we will see the next one. Direct speech. She said, "Oh, had I more time to get prepared for the interview tomorrow." The indirect speech for this one will be, she wished that she could have more time to get prepared for the interview the next day. Alright, now we will see the next one. Direct speech. He said, "May we meet again soon." The indirect speech for this one will be, he wished that they might meet again soon. Alright, now we will see the last one for this practice set. Direct speech. He said to her, "Wish you have a wonderful year ahead." Now the indirect speech for this one will be, he wished that she might have a wonderful year ahead. Alright, so that was all for the practice set of narration change, transformation of direct speech to indirect speech part 4, or transformation of direct speech to indirect speech in case of optative sentences. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with everyone you know who might need help with English grammar tutorial videos and practice sets like this one. Now guys, make sure to check the playlist of narration that I have already updated in the channel. I will give you the link of it by the end of the video and in the comment section below. Also guys, there are some other topics that I have covered in the channel. Check them out as well. I am sure that you will get benefited by them. Also guys, if you have any kind of question or if you have any kind of thought about today's topic, then write them all in the comment section below and I'll see through every single one of them. Lastly guys, subscribe to Intelligence Kernel and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that every time there is a new update here, you get notified about it right away. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.